What's poppin', Diva Gang? How are y'all today? Today y'all are gonna watch me recreate this cute little groovy kind of swirly whirly abstract set for one of my favorite customers, Jaylee Girl. If you watched this, thank you so much for purchasing. I had a lot of fun creating this set, and it was surprisingly a lot easier than I thought it would be too. So she requested extra long coffin, and I already went in and prepped with base coat and primer, and this is the nude color that I'm using. It's from this nude kit by the brand Rosalind on Amazon. It's number 2513, and then I literally just swatched all of these random cute colors that I felt like were in those nails, and I put them on my little palette so that I could just pick them up pretty easily. And we're just going for it, y'all. So I did 2 coats of that nude color, cured for 30 seconds between each, and now so that the colors show up really, really nice and vibrant, I'm doing a white kind of base for the design, and I'm just kind of placing it really haphazardly. I didn't want to do the design like to the T, just because I don't do that. I don't copy other people's art. I always kind of try to do things my own way, or try to kind of add something of my own, which I did actually do for this set. You'll see that towards the end. But yeah, I'm gonna not talk through this whole video just because I really want you guys to enjoy me doing this hand painted art, enjoy the music, and just feel the vibe. And just comment below, let me know what you think of my technique. Let me know how you think these lines came out. I know that they're not perfect, but to be honest, looking at this set of nails right now, this set turned out way better than I really imagined it would. And like I said, this design was surprisingly super easy. You'll see me going back and forth between a dotting tool and a fine detail brush to create my lines, but that's basically it. If you have any questions, let me know below. But yeah, I'm just going to allow you guys to watch me do this hand painted art. I have some acetone and paper towel nearby so that I can clean off my brush and my dotting tool. Basically, I went in, I did the white, and then just to make things a little easier for myself, I did the outlines first, just so that I could figure out which direction the design was going to go in. And this actually was pretty cute by itself with just the white and the outline on it. But of course I couldn't leave it like that, so I did the outline, and then I just went in really randomly with all the colors and tried to kind of just mimic the style. I'm sorry, I don't know the original artist on Instagram. She just sent me the picture for inspo, so if anyone does know the original artist, feel free to comment their name below. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like so that it can get recommended to more divas like you. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn them post notifications on. Let me know how you're enjoying Vlaugust. Are you feeling the videos every day? Thank you so much for tuning in, Diva Gang. I will be back towards the end of the video. Alright, Diva Gang, so this is how the design is looking so far. It came out so cute, and it really didn't even take that long, to be honest. Let me tell you, I was in a little bit of a time crunch doing these nails, and I'm just so shocked still about how fast I got them done. So I am going to add just a little bit of bling on the index and pinky fingers for the nails. You know, I just thought it would be a nice little touch. And like I said, I really didn't want to make it exactly like the inspo photo. And I know Jaylee loves a little bit of bling, so I did just go ahead and add that for her. So I really like the look that it gave. It did give a little something special to this set in the end. So yeah, I want y'all to comment below and maybe let me know which finger you like the best. I think this finger that I'm about to bling out, not this one, but the next one, the pinky finger, that might actually be my favorite finger. Or it might actually be the thumb with the green on the farthest outer part in the blue outline. That might actually be my fave. It might actually be kind of hard to tell me which is your fave, but definitely let me know how you're liking the video so far, and let me know what you think of this design. So I am just going ahead and giving everything a final coat of top coat. This is a shiny set, so I'm just using a regular shiny top coat, the one that came in the Macart Femi Beauty Kit. And I'm making sure to go around my stones as not to take away their shine. And then after I top coated and cured for 60 seconds, I also just went in and used used the hand file to sharpen up the free edge of each of these nails. And another thing I was surprised by was that while I was creating these nails, the polish didn't like bulk up too much and really mess with the shape. As you can see, the shape still looks really good. They still look very uniform and just really cute. Thank you so much, Jaylee, for requesting this set. It was definitely a challenge, but it was definitely like a fun challenge. I feel like I underestimate my skills a lot, so you know, I was really happy doing this set. And like I said, I know the lines aren't perfect, but they're pretty good for a beginner. So comment below, let me know what you think. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, Diva Gang, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Mwah.